How to connect Xbox One to Sony Google TV. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you the procedure on how can you connect Xbox One to Google TV. Now, to do it so or to connect these, you will have to follow the steps. First thing, you want to connect one end of an HDMI cable to the HDMI out port on the back of the console. Then this port is one closer to the power port as well. And after you've actually done it so, connect the other end of the port source onto your TV. And after which, you want to connect the other end of an open port onto your TV. And optionally, plug an optical audio cable into the jack between the two HDMI port and then connect it to the corresponding port on your TV. Then the Xbox One does not include one optical cable, but this connection isn't necessary to use the console as well. So you will get the basic picture and a sound from an HDMI connection, but if your TV isn't an HD TV and does not have HDMI port, you'll need an adapter or different cable depending on which connection it does have. You'll need one of the following, such as HDMI 2 component. You could use this if your TV has 3 video ports, red, blue and green as well. The other thing is HDMI 2 Composite. You could use this one if your TV has a single video port that is yellow. Once you've connected the console to your TV, you could connect the power cable and turn on the Xbox Start to set up the system. This is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.